For Sr.Wooly, if you go to Google and type Sr.Wooly and you click the link, it's going to take you to Sr.Wooly's website. Make sure you click login. Make sure that you're not on the teacher side, the student side. Select the country, United States. You're in Texas. And this part where you start typing your school name, make sure that you type ST and do not put a dot. So just space T. And it's going to show up Santa Teresa Catholic School. Select your teacher, Señorita Calderón. Select your class. For now, I'm just going to put third grade, Miss Perales. Select your name. On this one, I just created and made up a name, and it's going to be Shakira. If you don't know, I'm a big fan. I'm sure some of your kiddos have told you this. Now, as far as the password, make sure you do it exactly in the same order I provided them in your syllabus. So, for example, the password for this one is going to be backpack, shirt, and hen. Please be careful not to click the blue, the sign up. You're going to click the option to log in. And this is what it looks like on the student side. It says, welcome to the name of the student. Over here, they're going to see how many coins they have. They can change the picture, which is the avatar. On here, they have access to all the stories I provided to them. For example, this class only has access to 3 stories. On the teacher side, I have access to probably 25 stories, but depending on what grade level they are, that's how many stories they have access to. Now, assignments. This is where they're going to have access to any assignments. This one, they have nuggets 1 through 5, and is due October 20th before 9 p.m. So if you click on it, right now they're working on the story called La Invitación. These are the nuggets, and they need to complete nuggets 1 through 5. You're not allowed to move on to level 2 until you complete level 1, and you have to get a maximum of 600 coins. And then right here, it gives them the percentage and a reminder of the due date. Okay. If you go back to Sr.Wooly, and if the students want to get extra credit and try the video game, La Rocola, you go ahead and click the link, and it's going to start loading. It usually takes a little longer, 30 seconds up to a minute, so you just have to have a little bit of patience until it loads. The screen might look black for a little bit and then turns red, so just have to wait for a little bit. There it is. I know some parents are not too happy with some of the songs because there's a lot of repetition, but that's the key on learning another language. Also, if a student, their levels seem too easy because they're native speakers, just email me and I can change the settings and make the nuggets a little bit harder for them. On the video game, if whatever song they're working on, the hardest level is level 9. It goes faster. It has to do a lot of translation. So you'll see once I start playing. But just gotta wait for a minute. Okay, this is the video game, jugar, which means play. You click on it, and here you have access to all the stories that we're working on. So for example, if I want to do La Invitación, I click on it, and right now level 1 is the easiest. Like I said, level 9 is the hardest, and you cannot get to it until you pass, and you have to get 90%. So pick jugar. And then right here, if I get the answers correct, a person starts coming in through this stage. Pesca. So I got it right. So someone's coming in. The answer is ir. Now, I'm going to try to get the answer wrong, so you see what happens. If once I get something wrong, the person starts leaving. So I got it wrong, so the person starts leaving. And then you have tracking of the points. When I get it right, and then I'm going to get a new person coming in. Al cine, correct. There it is. No. So the more people in the audience, the better. Okay. Now I made 87 accuracy because I got one wrong, so I cannot move on to level 2 because I have to get 90%, so I will have to retry it. But this is just a overview so you understand how the Sr.Wooly website works. I hope this helps you and you understand a little bit of how Google Classroom and Sr.Wooly works. Thank you.